In 1814, a river of beer tore through the streets of London, and it wasn't a party. At the Meux Company Brewery, a massive vat holding over 350,000 gallons of fermenting beer suddenly burst. The force shattered nearby tanks, unleashing a tidal wave of beer into the surrounding neighborhood. Walls collapsed, houses flooded, people were trapped. In total, 8 people lost their lives, most drowned or crushed in their own homes. The tragedy struck one of London's poorest districts, where families lived tightly packed near the brewery. Some rushed into the streets with buckets, trying to collect the free beer, until they realized the disaster was deadly. It sounds absurd, a beer flood, but it was real. So real, in fact, that it reached 15 feet high in some places. The company faced no legal consequences. The flood was ruled an act of God. The London beer flood remains one of the strangest industrial accidents in history, a dark reminder that even too much of a good thing can kill.